Project Cerberus was an extensive investigation that brought together some of the best policing resources from across the country and internationally.
This investigation uncovered a large-scale organized crime group that was involved in extensive cross-border drug trafficking between Canada and the United States and had established ties to Mexican drug cartels. We are talking about a multinational criminal organization, a business built on importing drugs and violence into our communities.
The federal policing mandate is designed to protect Canadians from the most criminal threats, organized crime being one of the most complex and persistent.
Although my team is located more than 2,700 kilometers away from here, we are able to support Alert through deployment of personnel, specialized assets, and operational experience.
Our alleged leader of this organization was based out of Calgary and was calling the shots for the organization and the people that we've alleged and that have been named to conduct their activities across Canada.
The only way we can be effective in combating organized crime is through teamwork and collaboration.
Let this operation stand as a powerful reminder. When law enforcement agencies unite across jurisdictions, we amplify our strength and safeguard our communities with greater precision and result.